Right, this week, Swarf Chips, the dream team are here. Well, me and then, who are you?
You know who I am.
Right, I understand you've got a special treat, not only for the viewers, but for me. What is it?
So on today's Swarf and Chips, we're doing something a little bit differently. And we're doing Swarf Scores.
Right, what is Swarf Scores?
It's not top trumps.
What is Swarf Scores?
Not top trumps.
Okay, I got it's not top trumps. What are we going to do then?
So we're going to see why you would have a old little manual lathe.
I think you say old and then point at me, but no, an old manual lathe,
you know,
yeah.
Why would you still have an old manual lathe as well as a brand new super shiny Citizen Miano?
Let's find out with, what is it?
Swarf Scores.
Tom, I've got my brand new shiny machine here, but let's introduce yours first. What is it?
So in this corner, I have the Harrison M300. What about you?
I have got a, not brand spanking new, but very new Citizen Miano ANX 42 SYY. So straight away, if we're playing, well, what are we playing?
Swarf Scores.
It's not like...
Chop Trumps.
Okay, straight away I want a length of name, but moving on swiftly, my first question to you, Mr. Skubala, is how far between centres?
Oh, 800 mil.
Hey?
800 mil between centres. What have you got?
About 550, so I'm losing straight away. I'm not happy about this.
That's a win for me.
Okay, your question, go on, hit me with it.
Right. How many levers have you got?
That was easy for you to think of, wasn't it? How many levers? I have got... It starts with a Z. None.
I have got 6 levers and 6 knobs.
You got it the wrong way around there. It's 9 levers and 6 knobs. I can see it from here. Brilliant. So
that's 2 to me.
Well, why on earth would you want a machine like that in your machine shop, though? I'm not getting this. I'm going to ask a question. I'm going to go for, because this is, what is it?
Swarf Scores.
Not...
Top trumps.
Okay, I'm going to go for, how many turrets you got?
1.
One? Where?
Got 1.
That's not a turret.
All right, I've got a tall post.
All right, call that a tall post. All right, that's a tall post. I've got 2 turrets, 12 stations on each. I can double up, if not treble up. So by my simple maths, I could probably go to 48, if not more tools. Bing, 1 for me. How do you feel?
I've only got 4.
Okay. All right, that was my next question.
No. Right, my turn. If you want to go down this road, how fast can you change a tool?
I could change this, I reckon, being super accurate, I reckon 5 minutes tops. Do it, go on, do it.
10 seconds, right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Dun, 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 dun.
Tool changed.
That wasn't 10 seconds.
All right, sorry.
It was flipping quicker. All right, I'll give you that one. I reckon we're about 2 all now. All right, I'm going to do another question. We've done tools. I want to make, hold on, this is one I prepared earlier. I want to make 1 of these. How long is it going to take you?
5 minutes.
Eh?
5 minutes.
See, I'm going to have to program this, everything, get it set. I probably reckon ballpark an hour to make what, but 3-2 is that? We need to look at the scores on the screen just to make sure we got it right, but if you're winning at the moment, making one of these, how long to make 300?
I couldn't do it in a day.
No, we know that. So I reckon 20 seconds, 300 minutes, probably 2 hours for me. So, bing, a winner, chicken dinner.
All right.
Right, okay. Next then. So I've got my 300 parts of these nice simple caps. I'm coming back at you like Cleopatra if you were around in the 80s. I wasn't. Were you, Tom?
What was that, sorry?
Were you around in the 80s?
No.
Oh, blimey. Okay, I'm going to come back to you on that then. How old is your machine?
As old as me, and it's probably in better working order.
Well, we'll let the audience be the judge of that.
All right. How old is your machine?
All right, let me answer the question. About a year old. How long do you reckon that'll last?
Oh, forever.
Forever?
These things are great. They're so simple to keep running, and if anything does go wrong, they're so quick and simple to fix. This machine will be here as long as it's needed.
Fair enough. I'm not going to... This machine will be good for minimum 30 years, I can say, if not forever. I don't intend to be around... Well, I might be around that long. Hold on a minute. I'm just calculating. I'm 35 now. Maybe a little bit more than that. Anyway, moving on. They're both solid as rock, super rigid, so you're going to get some cracking parts. Talking of parts, I want to make some of these. How long is it going to take you to make one of these?
All right, I can't make that. I can't do squares, and I can't drill holes that aren't on centre.
Well, lucky I haven't damaged the surface. Don't tell Alex at CTPE. Oops. Never mind. Moving on swiftly. Okay, then I'm thinking...
Whoa, my turn. Material. Now, I've got a small manual lathe. Your aluminiums, your plastics, your mild steels, up to your N24Ts. Stainlesses, you'll start to struggle, but your Inconels I can't do. I don't have the power. What about you?
I was going to say, I was worried there. You're going to go through the whole list of materials. We've only got a 10-minute show, good Lord. Mate, can I call you mate? These machines are, going back to what we said earlier, super rigid, not a problem with any material. So with a certain system, which I'll come to in a minute, plastics, Inconel, up to Inconels, basically anything. There you go. One for me, I think. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, you get that one.
Right, I'm going to ask you, I'm going to program a part. How long will that actually take you?
Well, I don't have to program it. It's all just done by me and my levers and my knobs.
Yeah, my minor concern with that is that's got crash written all over it. But you're a tried and tested engineer, Mr. Skubala?
Enough
Okay.
to get through.
I think because I can program on here, I've got touchscreen, Bannock control, there we go, up it comes, and I can use my Alcart Wizard, nice and simple, application specific, but average maybe an hour to program on a complex, well not complex machine like this, but it's going to do a lot of complex parts. So can I call that a draw?
Yeah.
Bingo.
I'll go with that. I'll agree to that.
See, if we keep doing draws, I'm winning, so I'm going to win the whole what game are you playing?
Swarf Scores.
And it's not...
Top trumps.
Brilliant. Okay, I want to do a thread repair.
Oh, simple for me. Get the settings right. Follow the lead of the thread. Yeah. Simple on here for a time-served engineer. Simple.
Okay.
But what about you? Because this is all done by hand and eye. You've got to program it all.
All right, let me answer. But all I can hear, we're at the other end of the machine shop though, all I can hear was simple engineer. I'm not saying anything more than that. I'm going to give you that one because I'm not going to really do a thread repair on here, am I?
Right.
I'm going to do the last question. Have you, well, that's two questions actually. Have you got LFB and what does LFB stand for?
Well, LFV stands for low frequency vibration. And if you want to get technical, no, I don't. But depends how shaky your hand is when you're doing the feed. You can sort of get it.
Okay, I'm not.
All right, I'll give you that one.
Okay, so I'm not sure what the scores are because we've asked loads and loads of questions, but there you have it. And what we're playing?
Swarf Scores.
And I think Colin with his Citizen Miano ANX 42 SYY is a winner.
Right, I think I'll let you have it. You've won that. But I still think every machine shop needs a little manual lathe to finish off parts, second ops, little drill dolls, chamfers. There will always be a place in a machine shop for one of these, as well as your big fancy Citizen.
Absolutely, totally agree, Tom. Every machine shop, I mean, I've been to a lot of machine shops in the few years, well, the many years I've been working at MTD, doing the Swarf and Chip shows. Every machine shop has got one of these machines, where they've got the latest technology, robot arms, automation, everything like that. Definitely need one of these. So I hope you're not going to be humble in defeat, Tom.
I am, and next time I will be the winner.
And what have we been playing? What are we winners of?
Swarf Scores.
And what is it not?
Top trumps.
Brilliant. Another fantastic Swarf and Chips, Tom. Thank you very much.